Hello, I'm Kelly, owner of Me Time Sanctuary, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my treatment room. Okay, first here I'll just give a quick overview and then I'll go over each of the areas of the treatment room. So starting here, this is the client space. So they get to utilize the chair and the table for all their personal items. If they have a beverage with them, they can set that or their jewelry here on this tray. And I have chocolate and tissues there for them. Moving here is my working space. I have my client lay with their head facing this way. There's my chair, my Glamcore light, my steamer, my hot towel cabinet, all of my back bar skin products, fresh cotton, an area for soiled implements, gloves, sanitizer, and then I have on top all of my equipment. I do full body waxing, so I have two 5-pound wax pots. There is my microderm machine and my light therapy light. This here is one of my favorite items. It's a wax box from Wax Bear, but I use it for both facial and waxing items. So it stays closed and clean. I have my small and large wax sticks. I have my facial cups to dispense peel solution and facial brushes. I have my Regenerate nanotechnology pen, my ultrasonic scrubber. I have all my gua sha and facial stones in there. I have all my pre and post products for waxing, my pencils, scissors, tweezers, and the drawers here. I also have my items for dermaplaning, mascara wand, and all my microdermabrasion tips. Above here, of course, I have some candles for ambiance, my rosewater hydrosol facial toner, and all of the essential oils I incorporate through my treatments. Below here is where I keep all of my spa gowns, my sheets, extra blankets, and towels. And then in these cabinets is where I keep all of my extra sticks, cotton, and any of my extra product supplies. In this corner, I keep my large trash can. I keep any of my advanced certifications, as well as just some more elements to make the room feel relaxing. And then I have my vented soil linens basket here for all of my dirty towels. So that's pretty much it for my esthetician room. If you like what you saw today and you found the information helpful and want to know more about the products I buy and what I use and why, please click the thumbs up button and follow for more.